So hi guys, I'm Joanna Melissa Raharjo from Faculty of Biotechnology at University of Surabaya. So today we are gonna talking about yogurt. You know what yogurt is? Okay, so yogurt is produced by the controlled fermentation of milk by two species of bacteria. The first one is Lactobacillus bulgaricus and the second one is Lactococcus thermophilus, also known as Streptococcus thermophilus. We know that Streptococcus thermophilus bring the pH of the milk down to 5.5. As we know, Streptococcus thermophilus bring the pH of the milk down to 5.5. And Lactobacillus bulgaricus convert the sugar in milk called lactose to acid called lactic acid. And it is this that causes the characteristic curd to form. The history of yogurt follows of that milk, which is a source of ingredients. The fermented milk is called yogurt in Turkish, which is taken from the root word yogmak, meaning to knead or mold. Back then, yogurt was made and stored in animal skin or in the wooden or earthen vessels. Yogurt was also placed in animal skin, known as tuluk, and churned with a wooden implement made especially for the purpose to make butter. Right, Professor Bisels as the third travel in the world. So did the production yogurt spread in countries such as Anatolia, Caucasus, Russia, and the countries of East and Central Europe, as well as China and India. Yogurt making tradition reached North America in the 18th centuries, but did not yet flourish at a large scale. Yogurt became more popular as health food culture grain grown from the 1950s onwards. Now we have a wide range of yogurt to choose from, including products like frozen yogurt and yogurt pops. Also, with Middle Eastern and Mediterranean dishes become known in the food world outside of their countries. So did the yogurt-based dishes on their origin. The processing of yogurt. The first step is batch process for a low-fat 2% plain yogurt. And the second step is homogenized milk 12% TS plus stabilizer 1%. The stabilizer is added to give desired gel structure. And the next is heating for 85 Celsius for 30 minutes and cooled to 43.3 Celsius. The heating helps to destroy vegetative microbes and slightly destabilize casein for good gel formation. And then starter is added, incubate at 43.3 and pH 4.8 for 6 hours. And then quick cooled to 29.4 for 30 minutes to slow down further starch grow and acid production, especially by Lactobacillus bulgaricus. And then agitate and pump to filter machine. And the last step is packaged in container and cooled by forced air to 4.4 to stop the growth of starter and held for 24 hours until the pH drops to 4.3. Starters in the good production, the two starter species should be added at strepto-lacto ratio 1:1. In the final product, the ratio should not exceed 3:2 for balanced growth of the two species. The fermentation is conducted at 43.3. At this temperature, both acid and flavored compound are processed at the desired level. If the temperature is raised above 43.3, lactobacillus predominates, causing more acid and less flavor production. At the temperature below 43.3, growth of Streptococcus is favored, forming a production containing less acid and more flavor. The two species show symbiotic growth while growing together in the milk. Initially, Streptococcus grow rapidly in the presence of oxygen, and produce formic acid and carbon dioxide. The anaerobic condition, formic acid and carbon dioxide stimulate growth of lactobacillus, which has good exoproteinase and peptidase system and produce amino acid and peptides for milk protein. Some of amino acids such as glycine, valine, histidine, leucine, and methionine are necessary for good growth of Streptococcus, which lack proteinase enzyme. Streptococcus grow rapidly until the pH drop to 5.5, at which time to grow Streptococcus slow down. However, growth of lactobacillus continues fairly rapidly until the temperature is reduced at 29.4 following drops in pH to 4.8. So I want to talk about the functional food. What is a functional food? So functional food offer more than just simply calories. It also offer you a health benefits for like energy boosting, muscle mass maintaining protein to heart and brain, and immunity boosting omega-3 fatty acid to the bone and joints supporter magnesium. Our food has the capacity to offer us a greater benefit, better than other non-functional food. So, actually, is it a yogurt a functional food? Yes, the answer is yes. Here's the nutritional value of 100-gram plain Greek yogurt. It has energy, carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins such as vitamin A, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, choline, and vitamin C. It also has a mineral like calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc. And also has other constituents like selenium and water. Biotechnological achievements of recent years have emerged as powerful tools to develop quality attributes of livestock products, including dairy and dairy-based products. Dairy industry in particular can enormously promote through biotechnological intervention, which can not only develop the overall quality and safety of processed dairy food, but also improve their commercial values for local consumption and exports. Since their major obligation of dairy industry is to offer high quality nutrition, healthful and inexpensive dairy foods of their customer, biotechnology has applied to food processing in the most developing country to make use of microbial inoculants to enhance properties such as taste, aroma, shelf-life, consistency, and nutritional value of food. Dairy products such as yogurt. Yogurt is one of probiotic products. What is a probiotic? Probiotic are live microorganisms promote with claims that they provide health benefit when consumed, generally by improving or restoring the gut flora. Probiotics are considered generally safe to consume, but may cause bacteria host interaction and unwanted side effects in rare cases. There is a little evidence that probiotics bring health benefit claim for them. Probiotic foods are the best ever growing area of functional food development. In general, the collection strain of lactic acid bacteria is significant and sure health benefit of probiotic foods products such as yogurt. So here's a benefit of yogurt. Benefit number 1, yogurt with active culture may help the gut. While more study is needed, there is some evidence that yogurt with active culture may help certain gastrointestinal conditions including like lactose intolerant, constipation, diarrhea, colon cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, or might be Helicobacter pylori infection. So the benefit number two, some probiotic strain may boost the immune system. While much also remains to be learned about probiotics and the immune system, recent studies suggest that certain probiotic strain offer some benefits. Like one review article suggests probiotic may help with inflammatory bowel disease by changing the intestinal microflora and lessening the immune system response that can worsen the disease. So benefit number three, yogurt with active cultures might discourage vaginal infection. Benefit number four, yogurt may help prevent osteoporosis. So many dairy products, including some yogurts, are made with added vitamin D. Find out which brand have added vitamin D by checking out the tables by reading labels when you shop. The benefit number five, yogurt may reduce the risk of high blood pressure. So the benefit number six, yogurt may help you feel fuller. Yogurt resulted in lower hunger ratings and the higher fullness rating than either of the other snacks. So the conclusion is yogurt is fermented dairy product whereby milk is inoculated with bacteria cultures. Biotechnology is one of the frontier area of scientific growth in the world today. Yogurt is one of food biotechnology products, and yogurt also consists of probiotic, and consumption of yogurt may bring health benefits.